Today, we're going to be making this paper star. You can download the paper star SVG file at my website. Let's start by taking a brayer and let's brayer some silver cardstock to a medium grit Cricut cutting mat. Then we're going to load the mat and material in our machine, and we're going to cut Now, once the cut's complete, unload the mat. Now remove the cardstock from the mat. And there's one piece. We're going to need 5 pieces total. Now let's start by folding each piece. We're going to fold, and we're going to fold the tabs the other direction, the 2 tabs on the bottom. First, we're going to apply some glue to the tab on the side. Let's apply some glue. Now put the tab on the inside, and you're going to make 1 point. It helps to pinch and hold, but make sure you don't get any glue on the finished side. Now repeat the same process 5 times. Now let's take 2 points, and now we're going to glue these together, this time using the bottom tabs. Add some glue to the top of both bottom tabs. And once you've applied the glue, set the other star point on top of that and pinch together until it dries. Now once that is dry, take another point and add some glue to those tabs as well. Now, put those tabs on the inside, push them down till the glue dries. Now take another point and do the same thing. Add some glue to both tabs. And put that on the inside of the star. Now press and hold, and wait for the glue to dry. Now we're ready for the last point. Now our last point, we're going to have to add glue to 4 different sections. It's going to fit in like that, and then the tabs on the connected side. So add glue to all 4 sides, and sort of pinch that last point and insert it so the tabs are on the inside. Now you've made a paper star. You can purchase the SVG file on my website, variablevisions.com. You can make these paper stars yourself. You can make them at any size, any color. You can even hang them with some line and hang them in your home, in your office, anywhere. Looks great. Good job.